Balance the equation barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate giving barium sulfate plus aluminum chloride. In this case, we are given a word equation. So we have to write the chemical formulae of the compounds. First one is barium chloride. Let us write the symbol for barium, and Cl, chlorine. Let us look up the valency of barium. Barium is having 2, a valency of 2, and chlorine or chloride is having a valency of 1. So we will write their valencies under their symbols. Barium is having valency 2 and chlorine is having a valency of 1. Let us interchange the valencies. Now we will get 1 for barium and 2 for chlorine. So the formula of barium chloride is BaCl2. Next compound is aluminium sulfate. Aluminium symbol is Al, sulfate, polyatomic ion, it is SO4. The valency of aluminium is 3 and that of sulfate SO4 is 2. Let us write their valencies. Aluminium is having a valency of 3, sulfate is having a valency of 2. Interchange their valencies. Now you will get Al, this 2 of sulfate will go to aluminium, Al2 SO4, 3 times valency of aluminium will go for that. Next we have barium sulfate, barium and SO4 sulfate. Barium, as you saw, the valency is 2. Valency of barium is 2 and that of sulfate is also 2. So barium is 2, sulfate is 2. If we interchange their valencies, since both of them are having the same valencies, we can write it as BaSO4 without writing the valency. Next is aluminum chloride, Al and Cl. Aluminium valency is 3 and chloride or Cl is having a valency of 1. So let us write the valencies. Aluminium 3, chlorine 1. Interchange valencies like this and then you will get aluminium will get the valency of chlorine 1 and Cl will get this valency of aluminium. So it is AlCl3. So these are the these are the formulae of the compounds involved. So first one is barium chloride. So let us write BaCl2 plus aluminum sulfate Al2SO4 thrice, Al2SO4 thrice, giving barium sulfate, that is BaSO4, BaSO4 plus aluminum chloride, that is AlCl3, AlCl3. Now we have to balance this equation. So let us take Al2SO4 thrice, that is having the maximum number of elements in it or atoms in it. Now there are 3 sulfate ions here and we have only 1 sulfate ion here, polyatomic ion, sulfate 1. So we will put a 3 here so that sulfate will become 3. Now we have only 1 barium here, whereas here we have 3 barium atoms. So let us put a 3 here. Now what happened? Look at chlorine. 3 into 2. 2 chlorine atoms are here. Whereas here we have only 3 chlorine atoms. So in order to make those chlorine atoms 6 chlorine atoms, 3 into 2, 6 chlorine atoms. We can put a 2 here. So in that process, we got the number of aluminiums also correct. It is Al2SO4 thrice, and here we have written 2Al. So let us see, 3BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice giving 3BaSO4 plus 2AlCl3. Now if we are to write the physical states, this is aqueous here also. Barium sulfate you will get as a precipitate, it will be a solid form, and this is also aqueous.